Hello, today I'm going to show you how to start your engine after a malfunction or an emergency start with your Audi A4 or S401. If the remote control key battery is exhausted or if the radio interference or a system malfunction occurs. We have an extra steps may be necessary in order to start the engine, of course, because you have a malfunction. The message remote control key hold back to the key against the marked area we see in the front of us. Then we are going to let the key which we are going to use to enter into the vehicle, of course. It comes with an RFID chip built in, and then we are going to place this key, this remote key, on the area in the center console area. Okay, there is a marked area with an Wi-Fi symbol and a key underneath. And if you lay down your key over there with a 90 degrees area, that you have enough area to get into position with this. Yeah, you let it there for a little bit, and then you can start the engine by pushing the clutch down, and of course the brake pedal. Switch on the ignition, and the engine will run, as you can see. So easy it is to make an emergency start without a remote access. You can use your remote key for that in the center console jump start, emergency start area to get this in position. Place it there, have a good start your engine, and good drive. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!